All, I am in Rome. I am in front of Colosseum. See in the video. Yes, so I stayed very close to Colosseum, so it was walking distance from my hotel. You can walk and go there. There are many hotels nearby, so you can stay there. So you can see some more pictures. This is the Roma Termini, the Rome Terminal Station, Italia train. It's for 3 days, 5 days. You can book. This is the Roman Forum, and you go and see the Roman Forum as well. This is very nice. You can go there and see that there are many tourists going there.
मतलब ये सिटी
This is Trevi Fountain. So there are many tourists. So there is tradition to throw a coin in the water, and as you can see, I am throwing coin. So once you throw the coin, Rome will call you again in future. For Vatican City, I will make another video, and you can see that in my next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye Rome. See you. Bye. Have a nice evening.